Good morning, children. How are you all? All good and safe? Okay, so from today we are resuming our regular classes. Children, remember the date of submission of Social Studies Art Integrated Activity? Please don't delay in submitting it. Okay. Now, just tell me, can you identify this author? You have already read stories written by him in class 7 also, as well as this year also. The Fight, a story from your supplementary reader. Last year you read A Tiger in the House. Yes, he is Ruskin Bond. Children, he is an Indian author of British descent who lives in Missouri. He was born on 19th May 1934. Ruskin Bond, children, he won Sahitya Academy Award in 1992. Then he was honored with Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, and he is alive, children. Okay, so our next lesson, that is a short monsoon diary. It's in a form of diary entry, children. I have taught you diary entry. Okay, just tell me what is a diary. Many of you must be in a habit of writing your own diary. It's a personal record, right? And you note down the things, children, in your diary that you plan to do immediately or in future. Some of you must be in a habit of writing your daily experiences. So this lesson, children, it's in a form of diary entry. And one of the most famous diaries that published as a book is the diary of Anne Frank, the diary of a young girl. Okay. Now, children, this lesson, there are few extracts which are taken from Ruskin Bond's diary, in which he has portrayed the silent